Hello everyone, our today's topic is Mandana art. First, let's see the material required for the drawing. Color pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, one four side drawing paper or a drawing book. First, we are going to apply on a brown color on a paper, then write down the heading on a left hand corner, write down today's date. Like that, we are apply on a brown color on a paper, and then we are going to start on a drawing on a paper with the color pencil. I suggest you to use any light color pencil like yellow, white or orange color pencil so that you can easily identify the drawing. And then from the middle of the page we start on drawing. While drawing on a paper, let's know about mandana art. What is mandana art, how it's done, where it's done, and all the history about the knowledge about the mandana art. Bandhana painting are a wall and floor painting of the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, India. Mandana are drawn to protect home and health, welcome gods into house, and as a marks of the celebration on a festival occasions. Meena woman in a Hadoti area of Rajasthan possess skill of the developing design of perfect symmetry and accuracy. The art is practiced on the floor and wall. The art is much more pronounced and attached to Mina community of Hadoti area. The ground is prepared with a cow dung and mixed with rati, a local clay, and red oak. That's why we fill up on a brown color here. Combination of cow dung and rati, also red oak. We mix together, we get this shade. Lime or a chalk powder is used for making the motif. Instead of the chalk powder, we use here color pencils so that we can draw on this brown shaded part. Tools employed are a piece of cotton, a tuft of hair, or a rudimentary brush made out of on a date stick. The design may show Ganesha, peacock, woman at work, tigers, floral motifs, etc. Such paintings are also called mandala in most of the part of Nepal. Here we are using a peacock pattern, and with a perfect circle we draw some design, spiritual designs like cones, then triangles, circles, semicircles, like that we use. Now this is our final drawing with the color pencil. Now we start the coloring with the white color. Mandala painting only has 1 to 2 tones of the colors like white, orange or red color. Mandana painting is done predominantly by women, as traditionally it is their social role to take care of the house and the family. This art form is not passed on through any formal training, neither is it recognized as a discipline. On the contrary, girls learn the art by observing and illuminating their mothers. Mandala is the local language referred to drawing in the context of chitra, mandala, or drawing a picture. Mandana is derived from the word madan, which implies decoration and beautification. Historically, they have been practiced for centuries by women of the Mina communities as a decorations for special or festival occasions. Along other, these events includes communal religious worship, festivals, and fast and lasty auspicious days in the life of the community, such as a birth or marriage. Since they were drawn for spiritual purpose, the picture usually consists of the main deity of the festival. This served two purposes simultaneously. A The deity of the festival is invoked through the painting. The picture were also a symbolic representation of the god or goddess. There is a specific way to draw and paint the perfect mandana. First, the wall or floor are plastered with the clay, which is the most crucial element for this type of the painting, along with a mixture of cow dung and water. The pictures are drawn onto the wall or floor using a rudimentary tools such as a brush made of the dead twig, a clump of hair and cotton. Once the motifs are made, they are the filled with the color. The color scheme of this painting is actually very basic, that is white and red, and are chosen specially because they are easily available in the communities. Natural surroundings, white paint of the Khadia is made of chalk white and red paint, or Geru is made of brick. The drawings themselves are very feminine in construction and do not follow any set principles of proportion and perspective. The feeling of the motifs is more textural than it is physiological. The first and the most basic distinction in the mandana painting that need to be pointed out is the place of their occurrence. While in Rajasthan they are painted on a wall as well as the floor, the painting of the Madhya Pradesh usually restrict themselves to the floor. Over the years, Meena women have been recording their experiences in the form of the mandanas. As such, they have evolved from the exclusively showcasing the above mentioned motif to the amalgam of social experiences. The paintings may still include a beautifully drawn peacock in all their glory, but the overall aim is to convey their experience with the peacock rather than just the bird alone. Modern design have also come about the inspiration by modern life such as tractor, bullock cart, motorcycle or a bus. Now we completed our middle circle part. Now we starts with the background. For that I divide this rectangle into two parts. On either sides we make some same designs of the semicircles pattern, and on the upper part of these patterns I am making some same designs made with the swastik, trishul shape and circular flower which is planted on this surface, and some small white lines look like on a grass planted on a surface. Now I am going to outline this rectangle with a white line so that it gets a dimension, and then starts making inner circular patterns with a white color. This is some star shapes in a sky. Now I starts making patterns inside this rectangle. Each pattern has a three semicircles and they are joined together in a cross direction. You can see, and it's carry on full rectangle. This pattern is look nice in this rectangle. That's why it's dominate the full rectangle and make its own identity for this drawing. These patterns we used in our childhood for the fish drawing. We generally use for the surface of the fish. Now it's look very nice. Now we fill up one color, orange color, in this first semicircle of each pattern so that it gets a rhythm, it gets a vibration of the colors. Only two colors we are using here, white and orange, so it gets in his own identity. You might be not seen from this angle, this orange color, but first semicircle of each pattern gets an orange color. Same color scheme we apply on either side of the rectangle, that which is first semicircle we fill up with the orange color. Now alternate lines around the circle we fill up with the orange color. The bigger lines we fill up with the white color, and smaller lines we fill up with the orange color. Some inner parts in the cone also we fill up with the orange color, so gets a variety of the colors. Also the peak of the peacock also we apply with the orange color. And now on the left hand side design also we add some orange tones so that it gets a vibration all over the design. I think mandana is the combination of the Warli painting and Madhubani painting, because the surface we required is a brown surface which is used in a Warli painting, and the design is as similar like in a Madhubani painting. The peacock, the tribute forms, the designs are used in a festivals like the form. That's why very much curious about the design. This design remind on a Madhubani painting here. This outer design is look like a ladder around this rectangle, which we also called on a border for the design, and it has an two border line around this rectangular design, and in between this border we have an clipping lines to join these both the borders like an a ladder to make squarish box, and in between this all boxes, small boxes, we put dots so that it gets a variety. These are the small boxes we make for the border, and in between these boxes I am putting dots with the white so that it gets a nice look. You can see here the concept is look very much nice. This kind of patterns we see in a Madhubani paintings also. That's why mandana art remind me on a Madhubani painting. Only the difference between the mandana and Madhubani painting is mandana art only we use white colors. In Madhubani paintings we use more than 4 to 5 colors to design on a drawing. Now we starts with the design on either side of the border, which has a vertical line and small lines like on a grass. This is also the design for the carpet. We can use similar design on either side, left hand side also. On the lower side we have a zigzag design. For that first we draw one slipping line for this design, and then draw a zigzag line from start to end and fill up these zigzag lines, the inner surface of this design, with the white color so that this gets an opacity. Look how it's come out from the design. Very nice. Now come to the end of our mandana art. We learn many different types of the tribute forms of the India, Madhubani painting, Warli painting. Now we learn on a mandana art. In futures also we learn many different types of the tribute forms of the India, Pahadi paintings, Kashmiri paintings, then Mughlai painting. There are many types of the tribute form in India, and we have to learn this design in future videos. Keep on practicing at home with a different tribute form, and learn different tribute form of the India. Thank you. Best of luck.